Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to know the people watching you by which device to your YouTube channel. So you go to your YouTube channel, sign in, log in, and then go to Video Manager. Here this is a Video Manager. In Video Manager, in the left side here, go to Analytics, click on Analytics. This is Analytics, click on it. Loading, and now you see here your statistics and analytics. On the left side again, here click on devices. Here devices on the left side here, devices, and this is a set statistics. So it shows us first population of people watch us is mobile phone, watch time and views. Here watch time and views, YouTube read watch time minutes, YouTube read views, average view duration. So 327,127 with mobile phone. Secondly, mobile phone, yeah, and secondly computer, and thirdly TV, fourthly tablets, fifth one game console, and lastly unknown devices. So this is how to know people by which device watching your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.